Okay, what do you have?
A beginning.
The beginning. What do we have? Are we doing birds? Okay, let's start. What do you have? What's the first one?
Bird.
Birds. Uh-huh.
Brown pelican.
That's right, brown pelican.
Other brown pelican.
And then after the brown pelican comes?
Great heron.
Uh-huh, great blue heron. What's after the great blue heron?
Canada goose.
Right, Canada goose. And then comes after the Canada goose?
Wood duck.
Wood duck. Quack, quack. After the wood duck, what's after the wood duck?
Mallard.
Mallard. And then what? After the mallard comes?
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle. What is that? After the bald eagle, what's that one?
Red-tailed hawk.
Oh, red-tailed hawk. Wow. What's after the red-tailed hawk?
Ring-necked pheasant.
Wow, a ring-necked pheasant. That's pretty good. What's after the ring-necked pheasant?
Wild turkey.
Oh, gobble, gobble, gobble. A wild turkey. What is that?
Killdeer.
A killdeer. Wow. And then what's after that?
Sandpiper.
Spotted sandpiper. What's that one? Whoa, wait, you passed one. What is that? You didn't tell me what that was.
Wing-billed gull.
A wing-billed gull. Right.
Other wing-billed gull.
Comes
Rock dove.
a rock dove. Oh boy, look at this one. What is that?
Great roadrunner.
A greater roadrunner. Wow. What comes after the greater roadrunner? What is that?
Eagle owl.
Oh wow, an eastern screech owl. What's after this eastern screech owl?
Great horned owl.
Oh wow, a great horned owl. What's that one? What's that after the great horned owl is a what?
Ruby-throated hummingbird.
Ooh, a ruby-throated hummingbird. Nice.
Downy woodpecker.
A downy woodpecker. And then what?
Northern flicker.
Oh, a northern flicker. What else is there?
Great-crested flycatcher.
Oh wow, great crested flycatcher. And that one?
Purple martin.
Yep, a purple martin. What is this one?
Barn swallow.
Oh, barn swallow.
Other barn swallow.
And after the barn swallow comes what?
Blue jay.
Yeah, that's a pretty one, isn't it? Blue jay.
Other blue jay
What's after the blue jay?
becomes
Oh, it comes, yeah,
black magpie.
black-billed magpie. Very good, AJ. What comes after the black-billed magpie?
American crow.
Ooh, an American crow.
Black cap chickadee.
Chickadee.
Black cap chickadee.
That's right, black-capped chickadee. What's this one?
Tufted titmouse.
Ooh, a tufted titmouse. Interesting.
Red-breasted nuthatch.
No, what is that? Red-breasted nuthatch. Uh-huh.
House wren.
Oh, a house wren. What is this one?
Eastern bluebird.
Eastern bluebird.
American robin.
American robin. What's the next one?
Northern mockingbird.
Northern mockingbird.
Cedar waxwing.
Very nice. Cedar waxwing.
European darling.
European starling.
Yellow warbler.
Oh, yellow warbler.
Common yellow throat.
Nice. Common yellow throat. What's this one?
Scarlet tanager.
Scarlet tanager.
Yeah.
What's this one?
And the garnet tanager
Scarlet. What's after the scarlet tanager?
becomes
It becomes
northern
a
cardinal.
northern cardinal. Wow. What's after the northern cardinal?
Indigo bunting.
Indigo bunting. And after the indigo bunting comes,
Thornbillow.
ooh, a song sparrow. What's after the song sparrow?
Rainy blackbird.
Red-winged blackbird.
Western meadowlark.
Oh, a western meadowlark.
Common yellow throat.
A common yellow-throat.
Brown heaven cowbird.
Brown-headed cowbird. Wow. What's this one?
Baltimore Oriole.
That's the state bird of Maryland. Uh-huh.
American goldfinch.
American goldfinch.
And other American goldfinch
What's after the American goldfinch?
becomes
Uh-huh.
the grosbeak.
Evening grosbeak. Yay. And what's that say?
And yonder.
Oh, the index. Very good, AJ. What do we want to do next?